biggest overhaul of Australia's Defence Department in 50 years has been announced, consolidating three major defence agencies into one. One designated body will now be in charge of the defence budget to prevent military spending blowing out and project delays.
On the 1st of July 2027, the Defence Delivery Group will become the Defence Delivery Agency and be an independent agency. In that, the agency will be autonomous.
The Defence Minister also warned that a new Chinese naval task group is being monitored as it nears Australian waters. The vessels are currently in the Philippine Sea.